crazy ass. We on our way to Virginia Beach. Change your plans, we're on our way to the beach. Well, not the beach, we want to cross the bridge, that long ass bridge to Annapolis and shit. We're going somewhere. I'm following him. I don't know where he's going, but I guess I'm going. Yo, side note for like black people, don't ever go in St. Michael's, Maryland. You're not fucking welcome if you're black. Fucking Subaru! Look at it! Yo, what's up? Yo, son. Look at this shit, bro. This shit. Oh, this is the same shit. I think Jimbo got this shit. I'm going to like the car meet or some shit. It's in like Annapolis. You can hear him. Pretty good. Shit sounds nice. Alright, fuck it. I'm about to get out and mingle though, but it's like everyone's like so grouped together. Like it's like damn. I should have came here. I should have talked to that dude when I could, when he was like by himself. I want to be like how do you approach people at car meets? Cause like when I go to car meets, like they're so standoffish. It's like they're so. Like, when they get in the groups, it's like the worst. I'm probably do 2 of these, but like I said, because like it's still stuck together because they're Subarus and shit.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.